Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on a controller using an easy method. First, connect your favorite game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, to your computer or mobile device. Make sure your system recognizes it as an input device. Then, you will need to download and install a key mapping software, such as Joy2Key or Rewast, to customize your controls. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now, let's configure your keybinds. Open your key mapping software. You will want to assign the primary jump action in Geometry Dash to a comfortable button on your controller, perhaps the button on an Xbox controller or X on a PlayStation controller. You can also map other useful game actions, like pausing or retrying a level, to different buttons. This allows for a fully customized and intuitive gaming experience. Next, launch Geometry Dash and head into the game's control settings menu. It is a good idea to disable any default keyboard or mouse controls that might conflict with your new controller setup. After making these adjustments, jump into a practice level to test your controller configuration. Pay attention to the responsiveness and feel of your new controls. You might need to make small tweaks in your mapping software for optimal performance. To master playing Geometry Dash with a controller, start with easier levels to get comfortable with the new input method. As your muscle memory develops, gradually increase the difficulty of the levels you play. For even greater precision, consider adjusting your controller's sensitivity settings within your mapping software. With consistent practice, you will find yourself navigating even the most challenging levels with ease and enjoying a fresh way to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.